It's recording.
Okay, it's recording.
You just hold it. Just hold
Holding
it.
it, holding it.
And we
Ooh. Big money, big money.
we can only wish for. Alright, let's see what we have here. So there is a little knobby here. Yep, it's going to pocket, but there's another bit here. Okay. Alright now. But this one here. It's blank here, but this one. Oh, look at the color. Alright, so what we're gonna do.
Want me to do it?
No, I just want to zoom in so we can show. Alright, hold on, Steve. Focus on this one.
Good.
Alright.
Looks
So
good.
you have to be very gentle. And usually when you hear the glass, like a glass noise, that's mean we're hitting the opal. So what we don't want to do is to hit the opal. So when we hear that noise, glassy noise, it's good, but also if it's a nice piece. Alright, let's hope it's nice and solid. Yes. Alright.
Oh,
So we have a bit of a color there.
green, a little bit.
Alright, so there is a color underneath it, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna clean it up later once we come up. Alright, there we go.